57,000 people have been identified in the Khomas region as being in need of food. However, only about 34,000 have been verified thus far.
And a total of 6,622 of the verified beneficiaries has been allocated the food parcels so far. Food distribution as from the 30th of March 2020, the parcel amounted to 7,210 were received from the office of the OPM and the donors. Altogether amounted to 7,210, which means that the OPM office availed to us 5,373 food parcels, and from the donors we received 1,037 food parcels. So far, 7,210 of the received food parcels were distributed to the right beneficiaries.
For the Ochodondupa region, about 31,000 have been identified to benefit from the feeding program.
As of 3,000 bags of maize meal that would be added to the COVID-19. The region is envisaged to receive 10,218 bags of maize meal, and of course that will be with 5,500 tins of fish for COVID-related feeding program. However, so far we have received 6,800 bags, and of course we are having a shortage of 3,418 bags.
Other governors provided an update on the status of food availability in their storerooms. But the drought has made things difficult for some.
26,000 bags of maize meal and 35,000 tins of fish and 24,000 cooking oil that will be distributed on a house to avoid chaos erupting. But we are pleading on fishing industries that in my brother Neville's region to come on board and to help us as a region. We are pleading on business communities to also come on board. Our banks, we are seeing countrywide people are crying for food. There will never be enough food for all.
Food shortage in the region is just an ongoing because, taking into consideration that last year we had a very severe drought that have really affected almost everybody. Still, these problems are still persistent. So far, as part of our effort, we have received 33,900 bags of maize meal and also something of fish that we have now to distribute through this COVID initiative to our beneficiaries.
The last challenge is that the people are in need of more food. We have been getting the regular drought-relief food. However, now that food is not enough, and secondly, also, as you know, that people are no longer even involved in business, engaging in business activities, even those that have not been benefiting from the drought-relief fund, they need food now. In the last meeting of the Disaster Risk Management Committee, this issue was discussed, and a special request was also then sent to the Office of the Prime Minister for additional food to be availed. Otherwise, people are really suffering and we need additional food.
Food related to COVID-19, the region did not receive any commodities in that respect.
Let's say, for example, 15 bags of maize meal, which is not enough for the sprawling, aging, of population of Oshana. So what we have done is that, we've identified, of which myself and other councillors, we have been on the ground to assess and verify whether this is true. That these people really need assistance and so on. And the good thing is that, knowing, your community is such a good thing. So we have, and let others understand that, let them just wait. If there are those who have nothing ready to put on the table.
Our country start to look at the issue food production and manufacturing, and to sort of stop relying on the exports or import from other countries. We need to start creating our own markets and also produce our products.
Feeding the nation would require a collective effort, and the nation has witnessed massive donations of food items from various sectors for the needy, especially during the state of emergency. Chulana Fuka, NBC News, Windhoek.